Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate design files in Google Drive with content safety, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate design files in Google Drive with content safety, start by opening your Google Drive account. Navigate to the folder containing your design files. Select the file you want to authenticate. Right-click on the file to open the context menu. From the menu, choose Manage Versions. In the Version Management window, click on Upload New Version. Select the authenticated version of your design file from your computer. Once uploaded, you will see it listed in the version history. Click on the three dots next to the newly uploaded version. Select Publish this version to ensure it is recognized for sharing. To further secure your file, right-click on it again. Choose Share from the context menu. In the sharing settings, adjust the permissions as needed. Ensure you only allow people with access to view or edit the file. Consider adding a watermark to the design for added protection. To do this, use design editing software before uploading. Once edited, return to Google Drive and replace the original file. After replacing, verify that the watermark appears correctly. Finally, review the version history again to confirm your changes are saved. Your design file is now authenticated and secured for safe sharing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.